friends I saw, they aren't remembering the things said and statistics. So I decided to shorten a bit and presenting it again. So start with nuclear power plants in their minds killed more people or and affected more people than the total than the proven amount, and the gap between those things is isn't proven because we can't know is it from the real nuclear power plant or something else. We can't decide on that, and so United Nations give that statistics and some other statistics same. So the amount they know is too general, and most of them think that our government and our country can't handle the nuclear power plant to run it safely. I understand that. That's normal. Even Japanese can't done it, like Fukushima. Like Fukushima, sorry. If we compare the fossil fuels and nuclear power plants, as we can see, there's a great amount of gap between them. And if the Germany decided to move from nuclear to brown coal at the top. Waste, yes, we think as waste as bad thing. Yes, it's somewhat bad. I'm okay with that, but it's not bad as old days. I mean, fossil fuels, by the way. With the fossil fuels, the mine is solution. The pollution is dilution. So we can dilute it, but you can't dilute the nuclear waste. So we have to build repositories and put them in. But considering the how our Earth is big enough and how temporary the nuclear power plants, it's issue, but not a great issue from my perspective. And we just have to restore 6% on a deep ground facilities. 94% even stored in my house in a capsule. Why we select nuclear when we have already renewables? Because on the Earth we can't take all day. We can't produce electricity all day. Maybe around the sun it's possible, but not on the Earth. And wind doesn't blow every time, so that makes renewables unreliable. But nuclear is reliable. They produce every time, and unfortunately they aren't flexible. So it took a decade to build a nuclear power plant, but you can build a solar in a month. By the Germany burning brown coal. French doesn't. The amount you need to give to take the same energy is 2 times more with the solar and wind. And land, if you want to generate the same amount of electricity from compared to land, with 1 mile nuclear power plant equal to 360 for wind and 70 for solar. Yes, we think with building wind solar we may rescue the green stuff, but we may also destroy it. And even if we do to this kind of facilities to deserts, desert isn't empty. There's a life in there too. At left you see to build this they killed 2000 or 3000 desert tortures, if I'm correct. That's it. I hope it's short enough to give knowledge about that.